Komustaka from beautiful Bohol. So it's 7 a.m. and I must say the city is still sleeping. So the plan was to go to a beautiful coffee around here or work from the beach side, but unfortunately the coffee shops just open around 10 and I'm already hyped and awake. So we will just work around the corner here and then maybe get the stuff back to the room and then just roam the island a little bit. Let's go. Okay, it's a little bit past 4 p.m. I got home, took a shower, got a little bit more work done, had one or two meetings, and yeah, now I would take the opportunity because I think we will catch some beautiful lights this evening and just roam around the city a little bit, have a look. I mean, we are in Tagbilaran capital, so should be able to get or to grasp one or the other interesting view. Let's go. Let's do that. Okay, that's pretty much it for today. I walked my fair share of 5 kilometers, 4 kilometers, 5 kilometers, something like that. And I'm done, sweaty and wet, and I need to take a shower. But yeah, tomorrow we go to Panglao. I go to Panglao. I take you with me, and we'll see further from there. Have a good one.